Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. A Hoglin is a hostile, pig-like creature found in the Nether in Minecraft. It is known for attacking players and dropping pork chops when defeated. Pronunciation, French. In France, the word Hoglin is pronounced ɔɡ.lɪn with a soft H and nasal ending, ɔɡ.lan, giving it a smooth, flowing sound. American. In America, people say Hawg-lin with a clear H and emphasis on the first syllable. Hog-lin, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced Hoglin with the H softer and the vowels slightly shorter. Hawg-lin, giving it a gentler, relaxed tone. Summary, French, ɔɡ.lan American, Hoglin British, Hoglin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.